So this question is a diagram question. Looks like we have a scatter plot here. We have some values that are here. I'm just going to circle them so we see them. The question says, which equation is the most appropriate quadratic model for the data shown in the scatter plot? Well, I love these questions, right? This is a graph question. And in essence, when we have a graph question like this, we can use it as a plug-in information from the question, PIQ, plug-in info from question type of question. Because in essence, we know, what do we know? Let's find one that we know really well. This one here. Let me erase the rest of these. But this point right here is perfectly aligned with 3 in the x-axis and 2 on the y-axis. None of the other points really line up so well. So that tells me that when x is 3, y equals 2. Or it should be close, right? It should be fairly close to that. So let's try it. For choice A, let's see. Is it true that 2 is equal to 4 times 3 squared? Absolutely not. I don't even have to do the math, right? No way, no chance. A is gone. Choice B, is it true that 2 is equal to, and I've already kind of given it away, 2 times 3 squared? Absolutely not. That would be 18. 2 is not equal to 18, so B is gone. Choice C, is it true that 2 is equal to 1/2 3 squared? Let's see, is that true? 3 squared is 9. Half of 9 is not 2, so that's gone. And choice D, just for more space, is it true that 2 is equal to 1/4 of 3 squared? So 3 squared is 9. 1/4 of 9 is like 2.25. And that's going to be the closest one, right? 2.25. It doesn't have to be exact because we're creating a model, right? So the model doesn't have to be exact, meaning that our graph may look something like this. And it doesn't like go through every single point, but it does still model the overall behavior of the graph itself. So the fact that the rest of these were so far off, right? This would be 36 where we want it to be 2, right? So obviously nowhere close. This would be 18 where we want it to be 2. So again, nowhere close. This one was 4.5, so closer, 4.5, but still, you know, not really all that close to 2. 4.5 would be like way up here on our graph. And then this last one was 2.25, right? So, you know, slightly above the 2, maybe in a so slight that you wouldn't really be able to tell on the graph that it was at 2.25. At any rate, that means that choice D is the correct answer here. It is the best answer out of the options.